Hello, how are you? Are you ready to write with me today? Okay, you got your paper and pencil. Here we go. The first sentence that we're going to write today is rip the tag. Say that with me. Rip the tag. Good job. The first word is rip. Sound it out with me. If. Good. When we're writing a sentence, what do we always put at the beginning of our sentence? A capital letter. So our capital R has to go at the beginning. So here we go. We make a line that comes straight down. We pick up our pencil. We make half a circle to the middle of our space and then a diagonal line down. R. I. Good. Rip. What's the next word? The. Give me the sounds. We have E. This is our Okay, we're going to put our finger down to figure out what our space needs to be. Move over, pick up your finger, and then write E. Good. Rip the, what's the last word? Tag. Give me the sounds. T-A-G. Okay, what do we put between our words? A space of one round letter. And we write T-A-G. Okay, read it with me. Rip the tag. What goes at the end of our sentence? Because this is the end. We put a period. That tells us this is the end. Whoever's reading it will know this is the end. Good job. The next sentence is set it in the box. Say that with me. Set it in the box. Good job. The first word is set. Give me the sounds. S-E-T. What do we always put at the beginning of a sentence? A capital letter, so that S has to be capitalized. Looks just like the lowercase, except it uses all of the space. S-E-T. Good. Set it. Give me the sounds. It. What do we put between our words? We put a space of one round letter. It. I like it when you sound it out as you're writing it. That helps you. Set it in. Give me the sounds. I. N. Good job. So we're going to make a space of one round letter and write I. N. Set it in the. Good. Sound it out. E. Remember, this is our Okay, we're going to make a space. So we put our finger down to figure out how far we're going to move over. Lift up that finger and write E. And we want to make sure none of our letters touch. We want them close but not touching. Set it in the box. Good. Give me the sounds. B. Ox. Excellent job. Okay, where's your space? Make sure you make a space and write B. Aw. Good. Is that our whole sentence? Set it in the box. Yes, it is. So what do we need? We need to put a period at the end because that's the end of our sentence. Good writing today. Let's read all of our sentences. Rip the tag. Set it in the box. Good job. Okay, you draw me a picture to match these and then show me your great writing. I'm looking forward to seeing them. Make sure you read, read, read. All right, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.